In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add glow effect in picture. A glow can make an image pop, draw attention to the subject, or help it stand out from the background without changing the original photo. We'll keep this simple and clean so you can get a polished result in just a few clicks. Start by clicking the picture you want to highlight. You're making sure the image is actually selected. You'll usually see small handles or a border appear around it. If you have multiple images on the screen, click directly on the one you intend to edit so you don't accidentally style the wrong object. If nothing seems to happen, try clicking once more in the center of the picture, not the background. Selection is important because the next options only appear when the picture is active. With the picture selected, open your Picture Effects menu. Depending on your app, this may appear in a formatting toolbar or a ribbon labeled something like Picture Format or Image. If you don't see picture effects, double-check that the picture is still selected. Once you're in the right place, you'll notice several visual styles such as shadows, reflections, and edges. We're focused on glow, which adds a soft halo around the image to separate it from the background. Now choose Glow and pick a design that fits your look. You'll typically see a range of presets with different sizes and colors. For a subtle, professional finish, try a small, soft glow in a neutral or brand-matching color. For thumbnails, icons, or graphics that need to stand out, a brighter or thicker glow can create a bold outline. Pay attention to contrast. A light glow works well on darker backgrounds, while a darker or colored glow can help on lighter scenes. If your subject has intricate edges like hair or foliage, a gentle glow often looks more natural. If it's a simple shape or logo, a stronger glow can be very effective. Take a moment to preview how the glow changes the mood. Ask yourself whether the effect guides the viewer's eye without overpowering the content. If it feels too strong, choose a smaller or softer preset. If it's barely noticeable, switch to a slightly larger one. Aim for clarity and balance. That's all there is to it. Click the picture, open Picture Effects, then select Glow and choose a design. With the right choice, you'll elevate your image in seconds and keep your audience focused exactly where you want them.